Thank you very much. Honorable Mrs. Justice B.V. Nagaratna, Visitor of the NLU Delhi, Honorable Mr. Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay, Chief Justice, Delhi High Court and Chancellor of the NLU Delhi, Honorable Mr. Justice A.K. Sikri and Professor B.B. Pandey, recipients of the honoris causa, Honorable Justice V. Kameshwar Rao, Delhi High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice O.P. Shukla, Delhi High Court, Chief Secretary of Delhi Government, Dharmendra Ji, Professor Dr. G.S. Vajpayee, Vice Chancellor NLU, Professor Ruhi Paul, Registrar, distinguished members, proud parents, and my dear graduating students. There are 2 points of time which are very difficult to speak on. One just before the lunch and one session immediately after the lunch. And at a point of time when you all have been delivered your degrees, many must have planned few selfies at one particular point of time and few pictures with their friends, and you all have been compelled to sit here in the auditorium. I understand this is a very joyous moment in your life, and I assure you I'll not take much of your time. It fills me with immense joy, humility to stand here at the 12th Convocation of NLU Delhi. Convocation is not just a ritual of conferring degrees, it is festival of knowledge. A day when years of learning, sacrifice and determination, courage into one's pride movement, I must confess, giving a convocation speech is a dangerous business. The speaker must inspire the students and, as I said, but also finish before they start checking their watches. And as I promised, my words will not be longer than yours last civil procedure paper. At the very outset, let me recall the wisdom of our ancient civilization. Sa vidyaya vimuktaye. True education is that which liberates. Education liberates us from ignorance, prejudice, and narrowness. It gives us courage to ask not just what is, but also what ought to be. Chanakya said, education is our best friend. It beats beauty and youth. Looking around, I can safely say some of you will now have to rely more on your education than other things. But remember, unlike your pay package, this wealth cannot be taxed. For some, calling may come from the corporate boardrooms with great coffee. For others, it will be crowded courtroom where judges will say, Vakil Saab, file kahan hai? Both are valid. What matters is that you serve justice. Because justice is foundation without which society will collapse. Mahabharata reminds us, dharmane hina pashu vismana. Without dharma, knowledge is meaningless. As lawyers, your dharma is not only to win cases, but to ensure justice. Sometimes it means telling your client, no sir, filing a PIL because your neighbor's Wi-Fi is faster is not justice. Our constitution is not just a legal document, it is soul of our democracy. Dr. Ambedkar warned, and I quote, however good the constitution may be, it will fail with bad people. However bad, it will succeed with good people. Now the responsibility now rests on your shoulders. Today you receive degrees. Tomorrow you will face real arguments, real clients, and sometimes even real contempt of court. Remember, your degree is not just a certificate. It is society's investment and trust in you. NLU Delhi is not just over a decade, has emerged as a hub of rigorous legal scholarship and innovation. This is where students have survived a black coffee and MP Jain. Both have gone on to shine across India and abroad. As Dr. Radhakrishnan said, I quote, "The end product of education should be a free, creative human being who can battle against circumstances." And I feel, and I can proudly say, NLU Delhi embodies that vision. As India enters its Amrit Kal, the next 25 years are decisive. As our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has called it an era of opportunity, an era to build a Vikasit Bharat. As our Vice Chancellor said, yahi samay hai, sahi samay hai. But Bharat cannot be truly developed unless it is also a Nyayik Bharat, a just nation. Challenges before you are immense, really immense. Artificial intelligence, climate change, privacy rights, access to justice. Yet as Swami Vivekananda said, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Your goal is not merely personal success and achievement, but ensuring justice reaches every doorstep from remotest village to busiest metropolis. Behind today's celebration are the silent architects, your parents and teachers. They invested their love, time, sacrifice, and perhaps a few loans to bring you here. I request you all to give them a big hand. Those who have invested in you. Students, when you return home late from chambers at 10 p.m., you will miss one thing the most, your mother's food. So before you leave today, hug your parents. Graduates, as you step forward, remember the legal profession is not just about wealth or fame, but about service and responsibility. You must be not only defenders of clients, but champions of justice, not only interpreters of law, but also the protectors of law. Let me end with Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer's word. The Constitution is not parchment of paper, it is way of life. And the timeless prayer from the Upanishads, Tamso ma jyotirgamaya, asto ma sadgamaya, mrityor ma amritgamaya. Lead us from darkness to light, from falsehood to truth, from death to immortality. Congratulations, class 2025. I, on behalf of Delhi government, my Chief Minister, Honorable Srimati Rekha Gupta, and my cabinet colleagues, wish you all the success in your life. May your arguments be sharp, your citations accurate, and your coffee always strong. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Delhi.
So the award section. Yes.
Thank you, sir, for very enlightening words. And Now we enter to the last segment of this commemoration. This is the award, medals and certificates